Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of Celsius Network, your ultimate platform for earning passive income with your cryptocurrency holdings. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With Celsius Network, it's not only easy but incredibly rewarding. Simply transfer your assets and start earning up to 17% APY with daily accruals. Sign up using the link in the description for a special bonus exclusive to new users. Celsius Network offers a user-friendly interface, making it simple to store, send, and earn on your crypto assets. After signing up, you'll immediately notice the sleek dashboard, giving you a clear view of your portfolio, current interest rates, and transaction history. Navigating through the platform, you'll find the Earn tab where your deposited crypto starts accruing rewards daily. Security is a priority at Celsius. Your funds are protected with robust encryption and insured custodial wallets. Celsius also offers no-fee transactions, eliminating hidden costs and maximizing your earnings. Plus, you can withdraw your funds at any time, offering complete flexibility over your crypto. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a crypto newcomer, Celsius Network provides invaluable tools and resources, including detailed analytics and educational content to help you grow your portfolio effectively. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make your assets work for you. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the best tools and tips for growing your crypto wealth.